In the 1800s, a young British engineer was determined to find a way to make efficient use of water to power machines. He created plans for a device he believed could produce energy from steam. When it worked as expected, it quickly became known as the world's first steam engine. The invention of the steam engine was revolutionary and sparked a period of rapid industrialization across Europe. As the technology was further developed by engineers, it enabled factories to produce goods quickly and cheaply. The demand for labor increased, and soon towns near these factories were bustling with workers. By the middle of the 19th century, transportation had been vastly revolutionized by the steam engine. Amtrak had become the first major passenger railway service in the United States, carrying passengers across the country at speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. Steamboats and steamships also began to cross the world's oceans. The most significant application of steam technology was in the field of manufacturing. Machines powered by steam replaced muscle-powered tools, increasing production times and lowering costs. This helped launch the Industrial Revolution in many countries across the world. The steam engine was not without its dangers.
Boilers that powered these engines could explode if not maintained properly, leading to fatalities.
As safety measures improved, however, such events became much less common in countries that utilized steam-powered machines. The steam engine's impact on warfare was dramatic. Portable steam-powered generators allowed troops to move large guns and cannons without having to rely on horse-drawn wagons, allowing them to deploy forces much more rapidly. During the American Civil War, steam-driven ironclad warships proved decisive in battle. Steam technology made its mark in everyday life as well.
Common household items like irons, kettles, and ovens were soon powered by steam.
It even changed the ways in which people kept warm in their homes. Wood stoves became obsolete and were replaced by coal and oil-burning furnaces. The invention of the steam engine can also be credited with modernizing entertainment. Steam-powered amusement rides became popular in many cities throughout the world, giving people thrills they had never experienced before. Roller coasters and Ferris wheels drew large crowds, providing hundreds of thousands of people with a recreational outlet. By the turn of the 20th century, steam-powered vehicles were the most prominent form of transport. Everything from automobiles to locomotives were being driven by steam. As other forms of energy replaced it, the steam engine took a backseat in transportation and began to be used primarily in industrial settings. Despite the waning importance of steam in transportation, its use remained strong in certain industries. Mining, in particular, was heavily reliant on steam-powered pumps and drilling equipment. Steam shovels and locomotives moved massive amounts of material, helping to meet the growing demands for coal and ore.
Steam's impact on agriculture cannot be overstated.
Tractors, threshers, and other farm equipment used steam to help crops grow faster and stronger. What once took days to complete now took hours and enabled farmers to work on a scale previously unimaginable.
The greatest impact of the steam engine may have been its cultural significance.
Popular artists of the era wrote poems and prose about the beauty of rail travel and the majesty of the industrial city. Paintings and sculptures depicted the achievements of an age powered by steam. By the mid-20th century, steam had become obsolete as a power source. The invention of the internal combustion engine changed the face of transportation forever, making the steam engine irrelevant. Nevertheless, steam still found application in specialized areas. Its tremendous power meant it was ideal for some of the most dangerous jobs, like oil drilling, where failure could mean disaster. Today, there are still examples of steam engines in operation. Museums across the world feature replicas and models of early steam engines. While its importance has decreased significantly, the steam engine remains an integral part of the industrial landscape. With new technologies, it may seem that the steam engine has been forgotten. In truth, its legacy is everywhere, from buildings built using steam-powered machinery to railways that span the globe.
It is a reminder of how far humanity has come and how much we owe to our forebears.
For thousands of years, mankind reached ever higher in pursuit of knowledge, only to encounter one barrier after another. Then came the steam engine, a machine capable of doing what no human could, transforming the natural elements into useful energy and transforming civilization at breakneck speed. History will remember the incredible contributions of the steam engine to human progress. Cities grew and transportation progressed, thanks to the efforts of brilliant engineers who labored in the fields of science and technology. Their minds uncovered the secrets of the steam engine and wrote a new chapter in the story of progress. As civilizations continued to expand and new technologies rose, steam engines began to slip into the background, but their impact was far from forgotten. In fact, steam technology lives on in nuclear reactors, hydroelectric dams, and other places. In this sense, steam technology paved the way for some of our most advanced technologies. The steam engine will always be remembered as a symbol of innovation, invention, and human creativity. From powering our ships and trains to aiding in war efforts and everyday life, the steam engine was essential to humanity's global reach. Without it, major discoveries and scientific breakthroughs would never have been achieved.